2.2, numbers 30 and 31. Finding limits how? By approximating and guessing. All right. So we have an x column of 0.9, 0.99, 0.999, and 0.9999. Obviously, x is getting closer to 1 from the left of 1 is the implication there. So let's go ahead and calculate the function values for those. I'm going to do all of them, but we'll get a couple in here. So if x is 0.9, then f of 0.9 should be 0.9 quantity squared minus 1 over magnitude 0.9 minus 1 equals 0.81 minus 1 over 0.9 minus 1 is what? 0.1, so we'll have negative 0.1 magnitude need to be taken. We'll have negative 0.19 over 0.1, shift the decimal as this implies, and we'll have negative 1.9. Great. Next, x equals 0.99. Again, f of 0.99 equals 0.99 quantity squared minus 1 over magnitude 0.99 minus 1 equals 0.99 squared should be 0.9801 minus 1, and then we'll have 0.01 negative magnitude needs to be taken, and we will have 0.0199 negative over 0.01, shift the decimal 2 places like this indicates, and we will have negative 1.99. Okay, the trend seems to be pretty clear. One more. X equals 0.999. We're getting that much closer to 1, right? Another decimal place of 9 here, getting us that much closer to the number 1 from the left of 1. F of 0.999 equals 0.999. Calculating is getting pretty difficult now. Certainly feel free to use a calculator on these problems. If you're that kind of person, I'm going to try to work through it without here and see what happens. 0.99 squared should be something like 0.998001 if I'm not mistaken, minus 1 again in the numerator over what we know is 0.001 negative, but magnitude taken, so therefore we get negative 0.1, nothing, negative 0.0001999 over 0.001, shift the decimal, and of course we get negative 1.999. Okay, without taking the last calculation, it is pretty safe to say that as x gets closer and closer to 1, the function value, right? So here we go. As x is getting, as x is getting closer and closer to 1 from the left, the function value is getting closer and closer to, looks like negative 2. Okay, so there's our guess. Guess for the what? Left-hand limit. So in the notation of this section, we would have our guess is lim as x approaches, what do we say? 1 from the left for this particular function is negative 2.